Welcome back. In this video we are going to do long division questions. 256 divided by 4. (545 divided by 5 equals 147 divided by 7 equals 12 divided by 6 equals 726 divided by 4. 902 divided by 16. 775 divided by 25. Rani is planning to host a party. She estimates that 250 guests will attend. She plans to serve one samosa to each guest. Samosas are available in packs of 6 or 8. Which pack should Rani buy? Explain your answer. 342 students are going on a trip. Each bus can carry a maximum of 41 students. How many buses are needed? Sophia has only 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes. She needs to pay 520 rupees. How many 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes does she need? Find different combinations. Three friends split picnic expenses equally. Snacks cost 157 rupees. Juice and fruits cost 124 rupees. And pulao and paratha cost 136 rupees. How much should each person pay? Susie and Sunitha used 4,376 coconuts. They can extract 1 liter of oil from 8 coconuts. How much oil did they extract? How much will Susie and Sunitha earn if they sell the oil at 175 rupees for 1 liter? They have 547 liters of coconut oil. Coconut husk is sold at rupee 23 per kilogram. Susie and Sunitha earn 9 rupees, 913 in May. What quantity of husk did they sell? In summer, tender coconuts are sold at rupee 35 each. Ibrahim earns 8 rupees, 890 in a week. How many tender coconuts did he sell? A theatre company can accommodate 45 people during one show. A total of 475 people bought tickets for a puppet show. How many shows are needed to seat all the people? B. There are 2 shows in a day. How many days are needed to accommodate all the people? Nina bought 5 kilograms of ice cream for her 23 friends. 400 grams ice cream was left after everyone had an equal share. How much ice cream did each friend eat? Mega packs 15 packets of Ragi Oats biscuits for a 4-day group trip. Each packet has 8 biscuits. There are 6 people in the group. If distributed evenly, how many biscuits does one person get each day? A company in Mumbai organizes cycle rallies from Mumbai to Panjim, Goa every year. They aim to cover 576 kilometers in 12 days. A. How much distance should they cycle every day to cover the distance evenly? After reaching Ratnagiri, they rest for 1 day. How much distance should they cycle each day to reach Goa in 4 days? Assume they cover the distance evenly. Given below are a few problems. You may need some additional information to solve these. Identify the missing information and find the answer. A fruit vendor sells 6 baskets of mangoes. Each basket contains 12 mangoes. How much did the vendor earn in total? A school has 8 classrooms, and each classroom has an equal number of desks. How many desks are there in each classroom? C. Rahul buys 5 cricket bats for his team. The total bill is 3,500 rupees. How much does one bat cost? A restaurant serves 125 plates of idlis in a day. The total earnings from selling all the idli plates is 6,250 rupees. How many idlis are there in each plate? To make one bookshelf, a carpenter needs 4 long wooden panels, 8 short wooden panels, 16 small clips, 4 large clips, 32 screws. The carpenter has a stock of 264 long wooden panels, 306 short wooden panels, 2,400 small clips, 120 large clips, 2,800 screws. Solve and identify the remainder, if any. Check whether n equals d times q plus r. A. 9,045 divided by 5. B. 1034 divided by 4. C. 2,504 divided by 7. D. 8,900 divided by 15. E. 9,876 divided by 32. F. 7,506 divided by 24. 506 divided by 5. Thanks for watching. Follow for more quizzes.